Hello, my name is Paula Andrade Delgado Gomez. Today is October 18th. This video is for English 1 of the Catholic University Luis Amigo. My daily routine. I usually get up early. I get up at 5:14 o'clock. After that, I take a shower. I sometimes wash my hair. Before getting dressed, first I brush my teeth and floss them. After that, I make up and brush my hair in a beautiful way. Then I pack my bag with my lunch, snacks, milk, cakes, and my favorite umbrella. I always leave my house at work at 6:20 of the morning. After leaving my house, I generally walk 15 minutes to take the bus. I normally arrive to work at 7 of the morning. I am the first one to arrive at the office. Then I sometimes eat my breakfast. I usually prepare eggs with cheese and bread. I occasionally drink dark chocolate. Finally, I am ready to start my job. I always send emails, I call customers, and I sometimes organize some meeting with my colleagues. Then I always had my lunch at 12 o'clock. This is my favorite part of the day because I can talk a lot with my friends. Unfortunately for me, I just have 30 minutes to eat my lunch. During the afternoon, I help some customers and I organize their receipts. I finish my job at 4 of the afternoon o'clock. According to the day, I go back to my house. For example, I always go to the university of 3 days from 6 of the afternoon to 10 p.m. From Monday to Thursday, I get home at 5 p.m. Before starting with my homework, I normally eat a snack and take a rest around 30 minutes. After that, I usually eat at 7 p.m. o'clock. I sometimes eat soup, rice, salad, and meat, but most of the days I eat arepa, eggs, and cheese. I generally drink chocolate. Finally, I always go to the bed at 9:30 p.m. On Saturdays, I get up early around 4:30 a.m. to start my course at the university from 6 of the morning to 5 of the afternoon. After the university, I always go to the church from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. I really love this time because I meet up with nice people. I generally arrive at home at 10:50 of the night and I immediately go straight to my bed. What a long day, but I enjoy it a lot. On Sundays, I usually stay at home cleaning my house, but in the afternoon I seldom share with my family and my dear husband. Goodbye.